What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Now, I know this sounds a little bit clickbaity, but if you just stick with me, I'm going to show you how you can get people to DM you every couple of seconds and every couple of minutes, and how you can make $12.50 with this one simple service that is guaranteed to sell. The best part about this is that you can start with zero money and zero investment, and I'm going to show you multiple ways to get paid, as I know platforms like PayPal is not accepted worldwide, so I'm going to show you other ways like Bitcoin, Stripe, and other ways that you can get paid worldwide, so that I'm making sure that this will work worldwide for you. And anybody can do this in any country. And I'm going to show you people that are already doing this and are completely blowing up with these kind of services. My name is Jay, and I'm documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online. In today's video, I'm going to be speaking about Instagram and how you can get DMs every couple of minutes and every couple of seconds, and how you can sell a service that is guaranteed to sell and really blow up. I'm also going to show you a trick where we're going to go and use a viral ripple effect strategy to get thousands of people to our page, DMing us and getting tons of sales to this particular service. This strategy really converts well, and if you want to master this, I recommend stick with me throughout this video, and let's get straight into this. And I want to mention again, this strategy is completely free to do. You've got nothing to lose with this, as we're not taking any money out of our own pocket to succeed at this, and the strategy does not require a website. We don't need a social media following from the beginning. I'm going to show you how to start completely from scratch as a beginner with zero knowledge and zero skills, and I'm going to hold your hand throughout this entire process. And like I mentioned in the intro, I'm going to show you proof of other pages doing this, succeeding at this, getting tons of DMs from other people and getting sales every couple of seconds and every couple of minutes. And I'm going to show you how you can set this up and repeat the same process. And this can actually turn into a full-time business. There's a couple of people who have been doing this for quite some time and now are doing this full-time, making money every single day, selling the simple service through Instagram DMs. And there are going to be a couple of platforms throughout this video that you need. So it's essential, if you want to succeed at this, make sure to watch every platform that I reveal in this video. I'll try to put some timestamps down below so that you can follow with me through the different subsections in this video, but I really don't want you to miss this. So if you really want to succeed at this, let's get straight into it, and I want you to make sure to follow with me. And I myself have made money selling this specific service with the specific strategy. So I'm going to show you exactly what I did, what these people are doing to do this full time. And the reason why you get so many sales with this is because it's super cheap and it benefits pages a lot. And a lot of people on Instagram are wanting to use this specific service to blow up their brands and to blow up their product sales. If they're doing drop shipping through their Instagram sales, if they've got a personal brand and they want to grow that, this can benefit any Instagram page out there. That's why a lot of people are using this type of service. And this is where we're going to solve these problems for these people on Instagram and help them grow their pages. And this way, we're going to get tons of DMs and sell the service to them, where we will make $12.50 per sale. The first thing we need to do is, if you come over to Google and you type over here on Google search Post Early or postearly.com, and you click on the first link over here, it's called postearly.com /English US. And this is a tool where you can go and automate Instagram pages. For example, they will give you viral hashtag suggestions, welcome DMs to people that follow you. For example, if you follow me and I have welcome DM enable, my page automatically sends you a welcome. And you've got auto repost, which is set to repost viral posts that you've posted on your page to continue that virality towards your page. Auto comment likers, to like your comments, the people that comment on your post, to show that you're engaging with them. Auto follow pages in your niche, auto unfollow, auto like of different pages on the explore page, and auto comments on different posts on the explore page to engage with other pages. So this is a tool that completely automates Instagram pages, grows Instagram pages through organic growth. There's no buying bot followers here that don't engage with your page. This is a tool that grows your page organically. Now this tool charges different amounts. For example, $0, $16, and $65 per month. So I'm going to show you a way where you can actually go and sell this service to thousands of people, DMing you every single day and every couple of minutes, to followers on Instagram to go and grow their own pages so that they can benefit from the service, and at the same time how you can make money with this particular service. Another good example, and the example I've been using with the strategy, is on Fiverr.com over here, where this person will give you a shout out on their verified Instagram page. Now you can go and offer all of these services in your page and to people that are going to be DMing you with this strategy. Now this service that sells for $30, I've been selling for $42.50, making $12.50 profit every single sale that I get. I've sometimes had up to 10 to 20 to 30 sales a day, and all I do is I let this person grow my clients' pages, and that way I just keep $12.50 in my pocket without actually doing any of this work myself. So this is another good example, is Instagram shoutouts on Fiverr.com, or we can go and use the post early tool over here, or we can go and use both. Now that we've got these services that we can go and offer to the people that are going to be DMing us, we need to come over to a platform called Canva.com, which is a simple graphic design tool where we can go and create stories, posts, NFTs, logos, you name it. There are tons of different designs that you can do over here. So what I've done is I've created a template for this video, which is actually a template I used from a previous video that I made on YouTube, but I thought of we can actually use the same strategy and the same viral ripple effect post with today's strategy. So over here, we can, for example, we want to type the following. To mark the launch of our brand new Instagram page, we want to rename this, for example, anything that's got to do with Instagram growth. So let's go Instagram growth 2022, and we have an awesome competition. You can win a shout out. Let's go shout out on a 100K verified Instagram page valued at $50. To enter these steps, repost this post to your story and feed, tag us, follow our page, which would be again Instagram growth 2022. I'm just going to go and copy and paste. DM us with proof that you've completed these steps and we'll deliver your shout out. So how this is going to work is we just want to maybe go and change this background image to a relative. Let's just go and search Instagram. All right, all I did was I just changed it to this template over here, which gives us more of an Instagram kind of color theme. So once we've got this post over here, we want to go and download this to our PC. Just click on share on the top right, click on download. If you want, I'll leave a link on the pinned comment to this exact same post. If you want to go and use this template, click on download over here and this will download to your PC. If I click on share over here, I can click on share anyone with link. So I will leave the link to this post over here, which you can go and grab on the pinned comment down below, which will shortcut the process for you. And then secondly, we want to go and create another kind of a post. So I'm going to go and come back to canva.com. We want to click on, let's just go and search Instagram post over here, Instagram. And we want to create a second template. So we're going to click on Instagram post, the 1080 by 1080 template. We're going to click on create a blank Instagram post, and we want to go and create the following. So for example, we want to go and get a element over here. Let's just go and grab a square. I'm just waiting for this to load up. Let's go and grab a square. We want to drag this across the top. We can make this maybe a nice pink color. We want to go and click on text. We want to click on add heading, and we want to type here, for example, any service on Fiverr. So for example, I will do an Instagram shout out on a 100K personal page. So we can type here on our Canva page, 100K personal shout out. We can just maybe make this text a little bit smaller to fit in our pink square. We want to make our text white, and we want to type here our price. For example, our price would be, if they're charging $32, we can go and type here price. We just add another text. We can type here $42.50, so that we're making $12.50 profit per service that we sell. And then we want to go and add some more text over here, like a subheading. We want to come back to Fiverr, click on our particular service, and we can go and type here, for example, we want to go and copy these pros of the service over here. For example, professional model with more than 10 years experience on Instagram. So we can go and paste this as one. Professional model with more than 10 years experience on Instagram. Again, let's just make this a little bit smaller. We can go and add another subheading text. Drag this to the bottom. We go and copy our second point over here, reliable and responsible. So we can paste this here, reliable and responsible. Again, make this a little bit smaller. We can click on enter. We can copy number 2, which would be I adapt to the needs and goals of each and every client. So let's go and paste this as our second service. And over here, we can press enter, and we want to type here number 4, I have worked with more than 400 companies and entrepreneurs. So we can paste this as our next service over here of this particular package. And we can click on enter again. Let's just move all of this up to give us some space. Flexible and fast. So we can type here flexible and fast. And this post is now complete. So we can download this to our PC, click on share, click on download to PC, and this will now download to your PC as a PNG format, which looks something like this, which is a post we're going to be using on our Instagram page. And you want to create at least 3 templates like this. For example, 100k personal shoutouts. You can go and use over here maybe a verified Instagram shoutout on a 106k follower page, also $42.50. And over here we can do a 400k Instagram shoutout page, and you want to go and create 3 different pages like this, or 3 different posts like this, to go and post on our brand new Instagram page. And these posts are going to get us tons of DMs. So we want to type here, DM us to launch this shoutout for your page, just like that. So people know to DM us to get this service. So notice how we've got 2 separate posts now. We've got one post, which you want to have for 3 of them, promoting your actual service. And we've got a second post over here that's going to be doing a giveaway competition, which we're going to be using to get a viral ripple effect to our page, which thousands of people will see our posts over here. So what we want to do is we want to come over to Instagram and we want to create a page similar to the following. For example, I found a good example over here of an Instagram growth page, but they're not really posting the way that I would like to be posting and actually selling a service. There's another page over here with 1,702 followers, and they're getting a lot of likes, a lot of comments, and a lot of people are engaging with this page. Another good example over here, for example, Follower Booster 1000, also providing a follower service. But the difference is a lot of these pages are using bot followers. We are actually using an organic service, which is live shoutouts on verified pages through influencers on Fiverr. And we're using the post early service tool over here, which automates and grows Instagram pages organically. So where our service is different to all of these boosting pages over here, which are just buying their followers, bot followers, which doesn't do anything to your page. In fact, it creates more harm. We are actually providing a real organic service. That's why our service is a little bit more expensive. So what we want to do is we want to go and create a page, something similar to this. Like I used Follower Growth 2022 as my page name example. And we want to go and post our 3 posts of our services. That is 3 of these. For example, I've created 1. You want to go and create 3 of 3 different services on Fiverr, and you want to go and create your giveaway competition page like this over here, which will get a viral ripple effect to your page. Because think of it like this: if you post this post and you share it on your story and you go and follow a couple of pages, get people to see this post, or even if you launch a boost on this post and one person completes these steps, they repost this to their story and tag you, they follow your page and they DM you, all of their audience are going to want to enter this as well. So all of their audience are also going to repost and follow you and share that to their story. And all of their audience is going to see that as well, follow you, share that to their story. So one share or one entry can lead to 50, which can lead to 1,000, which can lead to 2,000, because now all of those people are completing all of these steps in order to follow you and share this to their story. So you're getting now hundreds and thousands of shares on your stories of this particular post. So this is how a post like this can cause a massive viral ripple effect. And in order to go and get paid when people are constantly DMing you, you can go and use, if you want to go and use Bitcoin, if PayPal is not accepted in your country, you can come over to Google and search up Coinbase, go and create yourself a Bitcoin wallet so people can pay you there. And once people pay you for your service, for example, if they've paid you $42.50 for a personal 100k shout out, you just come over to Fiverr, you pay this person the $30 out of the $42.50 your client has paid you, and that way you're keeping $12.50 in your pocket, and you're not even using your own $30 to provide their service. You're using the $30 that your client has given you. Same thing with post early over here. If your client gives you, for example, $25 for the professional package, you just pay post early $16 and you keep $9 in your pocket every single month. So this is what a strategy that we call drop servicing on Instagram, selling these services through a strategy of virality and DMs over here. And what I recommend is when you create your page, go and follow as many people on Instagram as possible. You can literally just come over to if I come over to the home page over here, and you can come over to the explore page, just go and like a couple of posts, reply to people's comments, giving them value. For example, this little tutorial over here of some kind of software, and we can go and reply, let me just pause this, to all of these comments over here. You can say, I got a lot of value from this. Thank you at Ode Deals. Looking forward to the next post. You don't want to go and spam, hey guys, come buy my services. You just want to provide value. And that way people will naturally see your username, Instagram Organic Growth 2022 or whatever your username is. They will click on your page and that way you're going to get a lot of exposure. You can also come over to pages, celebrity pages like The Rock. Over here, click on his page and you can go and follow a couple of people, for example, of his followers. Just go and follow a couple of people. I would say nothing more than between 5 to 10 people a day. People will follow you back because remember, the first thing they see is your username. And once they see your service and your competition over here, which is literally free to enter and there's nothing to lose with this, people will enter this, and all it takes is 1 or 2 people to enter this competition, repost and share. And from there, that's how the viral ripple effect starts. So what I'm going to do is to really help you out with a proper Instagram strategy and grow your Instagram page even more. I've got an entire course and playlist on YouTube devoted to Instagram growth and how powerful this platform actually is. So what I want you to do is, if you want to learn more about this, I'm going to leave a playlist on the screen over here that I really recommend you watch after this video. If you've skipped throughout this video, you would have missed really important steps. So I do recommend, if you don't really understand how this works yet, pause this video, go back and rewatch the steps that I've explained throughout this video. But what I want you to do is to learn more about Instagram and grow your Instagram page is go and click on this playlist on the screen over here, and I'll see you over there.